In this video you will see how to remove border from picture in PowerPoint. It's very easy. First you need to click on the picture that has border, then right click and go to the format picture option. Here you will see this format picture window. Now click on the fill and line option. Under the line you are seeing here solid line. That's the reason there is a border around the picture. To remove this border, just select the option no line and then click inside the slide. The border will be removed. However, if the border doesn't get removed, that means the picture border is embedded with the picture, and to remove that you will need to double click on the picture. You will see here the option of crop. Just click on it and you will see these handlers. Now you have to just select the picture by eliminating the border properly like this. Once you select the only image leaving the border, click inside the slides to crop the image and remove the external picture border or picture frame. Comment below and let me know which method worked for you. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn PowerPoint quickly. See you again in the next one.